Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm really happy because I did some retail therapy during COVID. I've been looking at companies because I'm on social media a lot, and all these things pop up. Well, I found a company I really liked, and I reached out to them. They're Wish.com. I asked them to sponsor this video because I love their prices, and I wanted to show you what I got. They've got thousands and thousands of items and things I've never seen before in my life. This is what I found on their website as I went to them. I scrolled down and there was everything. And what was really speaking to me were things that I love to do, like cooking. They had all kinds of cooking items. I found an incredible knife set. They had all kinds available. And I found one for super inexpensive. So I bought the set. It came in a box and I wasn't paying anything extra on packaging. These knives all have plastic sheaths, which makes it really safe to store them in your drawer, and they won't get dull by clanging around with your other stuff in the drawer. They're super high quality, and here I am cutting a tomato in many different ways with many different knives. What's interesting is these knives look just like these expensive knives I have. You've probably seen me on my channel using these. These are like $300 knives. They're so expensive. These knives look the same, feel the same, have the same balance on them, just like these knives. So I couldn't believe what a deal this is. I was so thrilled to find them. Since I run a busy household, I also found things that just were cool, like an air conditioner and a sewing machine. And I've got a big backyard, so I got a hammock chair. I even got eyelashes because I use eyelashes all the time because of my channel and wanting to look like a girly girl, and they were so expensive. I used to pay $5 a pair on Sephora. These are super cheap for the whole lot of them. What do you think? There's the look. I put them on right before this video to show you what they'd look like. Here they are in the box I got them in. I wanted to get these items fast because that's the instant gratification. So I decided to shop on the icon that's just for express shipping. So if you press that little truck icon on the website, everything you'll see are things that you can get in a matter of days, which I did. They charge shipping fees, but they're not that expensive on the Express. I expected really high rates. That's not the case. Everything came to my door separately from all these sellers. This is what they look like when they arrived. This is the kind of packaging. They don't spend a lot of money on packaging, you can tell. I opened them up and here's what they look like. That was great because I just want the good prices. I don't care what the package looks like. One thing that really impressed me about Wish.com was that I was able to look at things that I thought in my head, oh, I need one of those. But it's nothing that I really put on a shopping list. I just knew I needed it. Like, look at this crappy outdoor sofa I have. My gosh, it's a mess. It's all torn up. Well, they had something I could use as a cover for that, super cheap. Those cushions there that you're seeing are $200 to get them replaced. For less than $20, I was able to get a cover for these cushions in very high quality fabric. That does the trick. So if you're running a household on the budget, you might see all kinds of replacement items you want to help you just get along, which I loved. I have a big backyard with lots of swings and lots of fun stuff, but I've always wanted this hammock swing. Well, these hammock swings I bought before for $150 each. And of course, after a year, they deteriorate. So I hung this one in my backyard. Isn't that amazing? And that was around $30. Even the sewing machine I saw on a Facebook ad for $35, and this is around $10 on Wish. How amazing. I loved the steals and deals I got. And this portable air cooler was perfect. I don't want to cool down my whole house. It's big, I got high ceilings. I can bring this into the kitchen and I can put it where I want. Like, let's say I have to stir something on the stove. I've got my portable little air conditioner. Wow. And for such a great price. Like, why not? Why live in misery cooking in my stove in a hot summer day when I can be air conditioned and cooling down? Wow. They have all kinds of masks there, and I like this design. It's a design with glasses, and then you put the film on, really easy to assemble, and then I can wear the glasses with the film over my face, and you know I believe in masks. So I love it. I can go places with a see-through mask on, and I can do my thing. There's all kinds of mask designs, which is really fun because that's kind of the thing right now to buy. I'm going to buy them very inexpensive. I don't know if you're like me, but I have a little pile of things I need to sew, and I typically do it hand sewing, which takes me a long time. but this little sewing machine is the bomb. It already comes pre-threaded with a little sample stitch, so you know the thing works. Somebody's already tested it. It comes with extra bobbins, thread, needles. It comes with all you need. Wow. And great instructions for getting started. How impressive. I'm gonna have fun fixing all that stuff I need to mend. It so feels like Christmas today with all these boxes and all this stuff everywhere and all these great things. You know, this is a great place to go Christmas shopping, duh. I'm getting my own, and it's not even Christmas. Yeah, Christmas in August, why not? This air conditioner comes with a USB charger and a little funnel so you can put water in it for an evaporative cooling experience. Great. Instructions. I'm a little jittery because I love getting new stuff and I love a bargain. Bargains make me happy. So I hope you check out wish.com. The link is below and see anything and everything you might need or want for your household, your life, for fun. They have everything under every category. I think there's millions of items and I'm not even kidding about that. It is endless of what they have. Even apparel. Can you imagine? What a place to go shopping in your home during COVID and have a little retail therapy lift. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell on top to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great videos in life, like videos on how to have a better life really cheaply with all the goodies that you get from wish.com. Thank you, Wish, for sponsoring this video. I've had a heck of a good time making it and enjoying all the great things I got on your site. Please comment and let me know what you're wishing for. See you next time. If you like this video, there's some more over here I think you're gonna like too. It's the same kind of feel. They're a lot of fun.